In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change default search engine in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and by default, if we try to search for something in Safari, it will use google.com as default search engine. However, we can easily change it. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down until we find Safari, and that's where we can easily find search engine. Right here it says Google. However, we can get into it and we can switch it to Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia. Maybe you got some different search engines here, and all you have to do basically in order to switch to another search engine is just select it. After that, if we go to Safari, then to Safari's start page, and then if we search for something, it will use another search engine. In any time, we can easily switch between them in that simple way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.